Today we're going over my lawn care business price guide. These are some prices that I think you will be able to start with that will take care of your business and help you grow. Hey everyone, my name's Jacob Godar and my channel helps contractors deliver and clients experience a luxurious everyday life through property transformation. Today, we are going over my lawn care business price guide, the rough numbers to help you get your business rolling. If you like the sound of that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. If you subscribed, leave it in the comments. Let me know you subscribed. I want to connect with you and I want to personally thank you for doing that. So let's get right into it. These are the rough numbers that I feel like starting out a business. These will help you. These will help you get rolling. I am an advocate of know your numbers. So these are not the end all be all. You still need to do your own homework. I've got a ton of useful resources in videos. I've got a ton of calculators and Excel sheets that you can get from jacobgodar.com. So I've got a bunch of resources. Email me, ask me questions. I'll help you however I can. I want to be here as a source to help you grow your business. Without further ado, we're going to get into the first point, which is residential mowing. I think for residential mowing, you need to be somewhere between $50 to $60 a man hour. I heard Jonathan Patochnis say a long time ago, at least $40 a man hour. And that may be a good starting point if you're a solo operator and you plan to be that way. But if you plan to scale your business and grow larger, $50 to $60 a man hour is what I think you're gonna need. I think you're gonna need that money to grow your business and serve clients the way you want to. And that will make some clients not your ideal client because you'll be more expensive than everybody else. But you're more expensive than everybody else because you're putting in more into the customer service and the back end and everything that makes the experience better. And a lot of people are gonna be willing to pay for that. So that's kind of my price range of a window I think you can shoot for. And this doesn't mean I bill hourly for the service, but when I look at it and I say, that's a 1 hour job, drive time included. That means it's a $50 job because that's my man hour rate. So also the other thing for mowing, I think that your minimum charge for dropping a gate and mowing a lawn. Now, in Florida, this wouldn't fly. I totally get it. There's areas where this just won't fly, but Midwest, areas where you're only mowing a certain amount of months of the year, I think that $40 is the number. And I think no lower than 35, but you can get 40, you could probably get higher. We pushed it up to 50 when we were so busy that we couldn't take them in. It had to be $50 for a super, super tiny lawn before people actually started saying no to it. Because when people want a service, they are, if it fixes the pain and they are in need quickly, they are going to fix the pain. So I'm not saying overcharge people, but you have to have a minimum price. You can't always be trying to be like, well, it's so tiny. Are you really gonna charge that? It'll take 2 minutes. Yeah, you're gonna charge a minimum price because that 2 minutes was still tied in with drive time and all these other things, and that's great, you one-on-one. You're gonna lose on others and it's all gonna come out in the wash. So that is how it works, and having a minimum price makes it super easy to state a lot of these lawns. Hey, a lot of these lawns fall right in the minimum and I know what to price them, and it makes pricing with GPS even easier. So number 2 is landscaping. Landscaping is what has really funded all of our business growth, has made our business do extremely well, even though we're called Scooters Lawn Care. And with that being said, I have seen a huge price range. I've seen people charging $45 a man hour. I've seen people charging $65 a man hour. I've seen people charging $100 a man hour. And for us, where I really, really think that, someone should be, and I think you could sell this anywhere. When I was in Florida, I think I was shooting for $60 a man hour, selling landscaping, or $65. But I really think the hot ticket window is $65 to $80 a man hour. I think that's an area where you can grow your business depending on how you decide to grow your business. And I think that's a good starting point for, I get a lot of these people aren't gonna do a ton of research. They're gonna watch this one video and they're gonna charge that. And it's not the end all be all answer. It is just to help guide you while you learn your rates. When you're starting out, you've got very, very little cost. But the problem becomes bad when you start growing the business and you leave these really low rates. $35 a man hour, because that's way more than I was making flipping burgers at Tom's Burger Shack. And you charge that forever and it eventually kills your business. You're growing a cancer because it costs you more every time you go to work than you make that day working. And a business has to have cash flow. It can't survive like that. So that's $65 to $80 a man hour for landscaping, I believe is a number that's achievable. It's a number that you can hit and you can really, really grow your business. Third point, fertilization and weed control. It is it is the most profitable part of a lawn and landscape business when done correctly. I think the underpriced stuff is still probably better profit than a lot of the other services we offer, because it's like mowing with the ease of operation. Other than some states, it's really hard to get your chemical license, but like Florida, hard to get your chemical license. Illinois, easy to get your chemical license. So Illinois, it is easy to go out there, learn. Now, it's not easy. You need to be good. You have to still learn everything, but it's not, the barrier to getting it is not as bad, but there is a barrier which makes not everyone want to go for it. Not everyone wants to get licensed. So that barrier alone makes it where there's more profit hidden there. I think a guy can go out and he can turn $90 plus an hour all day long, probably $100 an hour all day long alone. That will include some material. The material's not crazy per square foot. I've got a calculator for that if you want to do some comparison pricing on fertilizer and chemicals you're going to use throughout the season. Check that out on jacobgodar.com. But so that 90 plus an hour, it's awesome. Fertilization, weed control is a great service. It will grow your business. It's the most profitable. It's the most profitable and easiest to scale. It is as easy as lawn care to scale, but the profit's there. Where there's not much profit in mowing, there's a lot of profit in fertilizer. In landscaping, it's great, but there's a ton of variables, so there's a lot of opportunity to lose on that too. It needs to be well managed. So with all that being said, high profit fertilizer, great profit in landscaping if you don't screw up, great work in mowing, and potentially great profit, but you got to run it a lot harder and you got to keep it really lean to make it do well. So I hope these numbers have helped you out some. I'm going to link some videos after this for the man-hour rate calculator if you're wanting to dig deeper into your man-hour rate. Everyone leave some comments. Put it down in there and say what you charge. I want to hear what you charge, why you charge it, and how well it's been doing for your business. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave it in the comments. I subscribed. I want to talk to you. I want to thank you for subscribing. And everyone, I wish you well. I'll see you soon.